A career in HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, is promising in the future as more emphasis is put on energy efficiency and environmental protection. HVAC technicians are responsible for designing, installing, and maintaining HVAC systems in buildings, homes, and industrial plants. As the demand for energy-efficient and eco-friendly systems increases, the demand for HVAC technicians will also increase. Here are some reasons why a career in HVAC is promising for the future. Growing demand. As the world population continues to grow, the demand for energy-efficient and eco-friendly HVAC systems will also increase. This will result in a significant increase in demand for skilled HVAC technicians. Technological advancements. The HVAC industry is continuously evolving, and new technologies are being developed to increase energy efficiency and reduce the environmental impact. This presents new opportunities for HVAC technicians to learn and adapt to new technologies. Job security. HVAC systems are essential in most homes, buildings, and industries. Therefore, HVAC technicians will always be in demand, making it a stable career choice. Competitive salary. As the demand for skilled HVAC technicians increases, so does the salary. HVAC technicians are well paid, with a median salary of around $50,000 per year. Diverse career opportunities. HVAC technicians have a variety of job opportunities in different sectors, including residential, commercial, and industrial. They can also specialize in different areas, such as installation, maintenance, or repair. Environmental impact. As the world becomes more environmentally conscious, HVAC systems will become more eco-friendly and energy efficient. HVAC technicians will play a crucial role in reducing carbon emissions and protecting the environment.